Welcome to this complete review of CoinExchanger. CoinExchanger is a dynamic and secure platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, CoinExchanger offers a user-friendly interface that makes crypto trading straightforward. With a wide variety of cryptocurrencies available for exchange, the platform is a top choice for those seeking a seamless trading experience. You can create an account in just a few easy steps. Once you sign up, you can access all of the platform's tools and features. CoinExchanger supports multiple payment methods, making it easy to fund your account and start trading. The platform also offers advanced features for professional traders, such as detailed charts, trading pairs, and margin trading, giving users the flexibility to trade as they prefer. If you're concerned about security, CoinExchanger uses top-tier encryption to ensure that your funds and personal information are protected. They also provide 24/7 customer support to assist with any inquiries or issues you may encounter while using the platform. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, CoinExchanger makes it easy to trade with confidence. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The platform's fee structure is transparent, and CoinExchanger charges competitive fees for trading. The platform's interface is intuitive, allowing you to quickly place buy and sell orders. You can also track your portfolio, monitor market trends, and set alerts for price changes to stay ahead of the market. With a solid reputation in the industry and a growing user base, CoinExchanger offers an ideal platform for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrencies efficiently and securely. The platform also regularly updates its offerings and features to meet the needs of the crypto community. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto reviews and tips. Don't miss out on the latest news and updates on cryptocurrency trading platforms.